Does Beaker like the sea?
Yeah.
How do you know? You're not frightened, Joey, are you? You know I can't swim very well, so I wouldn't get too close. Come on. Do you want to hold my hand, or are you okay?
I'm just scared of the look of the sea when I'm up here.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, let's get a bit closer. Do you want to hold my hand? Okay, look at that. Doesn't that sound beautiful?
Yeah.
It's a lovely day today, isn't it, Joey? We've got the beach to ourselves nearly. Yeah. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Do you want to go to the edge again? You sure?
I'm sure.
I want to go to the edge. I want to go to the edge. Oh, we're getting closer to the edge.
Okay, I'll jump in.
You going to jump in?
Yeah.
Do you want to kick that one? Okay. I'll hold you so you don't fall in. Oh, 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 oh,
Get off.
You're getting closer. Where are you going, Joey? Where are you running away to? What are they doing, Joey? I think they must have their nests under there. Do you see them?
Is it bats?
No, it's birds.
Looks like bats.
You think it's bats?
Yeah. They're coming out from there.
Ah.
Got a few more going over my head.
Yeah.
Let's get out of this.
Are you scared? Look at the swans.
How is the sea controlled over there?
Because of the big marina wall, Joey.
But look on.